So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas number 14, I think 14. So I'm just here at school. I have a wrestling tournament. We have a wrestling tournament, as you can tell. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do in a day because there's nothing else to vlog about. I don't think you guys want to see me wrestle all the time, so I'm just gonna vlog one of my matches, and then after that, after we finish wrestling, we're gonna go eat, so I'm gonna be recording that. So stay tuned for that, guys. So guys, I'm almost done. I just need one more match and I'm done. Finally.
Right hard, please.
And my sister brought me a Starbucks. Ask them. So guys, we're gonna go eat. Then why you look at it, bro? We're gonna go eat pizza after our match. And guys, I am breaking out so bad. Look, I got pimples here, You guys, I'm breaking out so bad. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys. Oh, guys, I got first place. I got second place, guys. And I'll catch you guys over there at Gino. So guys, we made it to Gino. Faith, say hi. Matthew, and then we have Juan, and then we have... Say hi. And then we have the rest of them over there sitting. And then I'm just waiting for the rest of the guys. But yeah, we're gonna eat good right now. Huh?
We're gonna get fat.
We're gonna get fat. More fat. But yeah, guys. So guys, I didn't show you my OTD. I'm just wearing this like burgundy shirt with my Hollister jeans and then the shoes that I always wear. But yeah, let's go eat now. Cause I'm starving. So we got Damien back, and then we got Matthew, and then who else was missing? I know Juan was missing, and who else was missing from that table? I know I already got these three Mongolo right here. I know I already got this Mongolo. I think that was it. And yeah, we're just waiting on our food, you know. Yeah, guys, we got our pizza. These little mugres are eating already. So guys, don't forget to go subscribe to my channel. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I can't get the other one. So guys, good morning guys. So I'm just continuing on the yesterday's vlog with today's vlog. So today is Vlogmas number 15. I'm sorry I didn't vlog yesterday because like I'm telling you guys, there's nothing interesting about my life that you guys are gonna see. It's just me going to wrestling practice pretty much, and then just staying at home, cleaning, and all those other things that I don't think you guys want to see on the vlog. It's really cold outside, guys. But yeah, guys, right now I'm gonna go get something to eat and a Starbucks, and I don't know what else I'm gonna get because I have a tournament for little kids today that I need to go help. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, and yeah, just keep on watching. So guys, I came to get a Starbucks right now. Thank you. Bye. Oh, I got myself an iced chai latte. There you go. And I got a white chocolate mocha, but that's for my friend Ugly Mirror. For Ugly Mirror. You guys know who's Miriam. So today is Sunday, like I said. So now the little kids are wrestling. Look at them, they're so small. Cute, guys. we're still here.
I'm like, of course.
Miriam!
That's your boat?
Yeah, that's Miriam right there, guys. That one right there, yeah. If you guys don't know. But yeah, dude, the little kids are so cute when they wrestle, guys. OMG. There's an elf in a jar. Watch. There's an elf. They brought it at a tournament. So Damien's cousins wrestling Hector. So guys, we're rolling the mats. What the fuck is wrong with my bun? So look at these little Mongolos here. But yeah, we're rolling up the mats, as you can tell. And then this one broke right there. So guys, I'm going home now. I already finished cleaning up and doing everything, you know. Well, all of us finished cleaning, and now it's time to go home. And then now we're gonna go shopping. And my face looks hella horrible, OMG. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video with me going shopping. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm here with my ugly ass sister, as you could tell. And we came to Diddy's. We came to shop for our Christmas dress. You know, it's the cheapest store, so why would I want to waste my money?
It's only for like 1 hour.
It's only for like an hour, just to take pictures in the dress, and then that's it. But yeah, guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think Diddy's have good dresses right now. But either way, they just go. We're at Diddy's. You guys, there's a lot of people right now at Diddy's. OMG, this is so cute. Hey, honey. My little baby woke up. But guys, look, this is so cute. Baby, don't move your feet. Baby. Can you stop moving? Okay, hold the camera for me. But yeah, guys, look what I found. This is so cute. But it won't fit me because I'm a size 12. I'm a size 13. No, cheers. There you go. Okay, where are we going?
I'm gonna get for these shoes. They're hella cute.
Hey. She does the same, guys. Watch. Ito mo shula. See, guys, she does the same. You're so cute. So guys, I'm here at the dress, as you guys can tell. But I don't know what dress to get. Yeah, they're ugly. Ugly. Update, guys, we didn't find anything. There was a lot of people in the store, so we couldn't really look good. So we just came out instead. Because now we're gonna go eat House of Random. So guys, we're at the House of Random, and they have like the restroom is so cute. Like, look at the mirror. Look at baby. But yeah, look at this. It's so cute. So look, guys, this is Be Random, and look at the little things again. That is so cute. And they have drinks too. They have drinks, and look at the little soft couches. So look, this is how the ice cream is, guys. House of Random.